Hello a cháirtin agus fáilte go Cluicheamaid fad sin dal a chluich I dú. Gemme ha go túd úd ha díirech nach gaich Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Ha mi viran hello sa chat ha mi coma agus tíf bard fáilte adamh agus fluff gar cúteach. Hí mar a h-Aon leis seo ha Streamlabs ar vis mi clacha gur san hí streaming tú gí go ag amana an gohfuil dúliatas an annathh skipped frames agus ru mar sin, so tá sin agus hí sin na heachlas. Ma ha dúliatas an bí ann a thug fuaim neo thug video again a ddíireach cúm fis an san chat. Cuma mi súl idir sin ach ha mín dáchas gon séid go ma rain agus ha mi viran agus déanna fiúid I gceime seo chuig. Ma ha dúliatas a bí lig fis a chat ha sin acum id od a screen acum so súl go sin eichgin agus mis me sin go bhfuil támán Tòiseachaidh so seo actí Assassin's Creed Valhalla ma ha Gemma úd Ciri sin hid a default mar go bhig default a dí eiste mis men sin rich mi can be a rá insnach ma ha rá mi dtír gal a default is an gal seo. Gemma úd Assassin's Creed.
Silence, you children of gods, and heed my tale of time's beginning. All was dark. There was no sand. There was no sea. No earth, nor sky. No grass, nor wind. Till fire met ice in the gasping void. And from this scream came the giant Ymir, first of all beings. Proud Ymir, cruelly killed, yet from whose bones and blood and brains the world was made. The world you walk and war upon.
There you are.
Hey. I can't dorach gas ach stoch go bhfuil sin na hat géirí.
Eivor, here's a tune for you. Want to liven your step.
Cad dorach raibh se go Chief Bard Caimí frá film for being Gaelic Anna Inish agus Anna Gàidhlig agus Anish Caimí an all agus sin
Go. So, you see our king? Yes, good. Come, Eva. Did you find the ring? Yes. Now for our little plan. You see us soaking. Be quiet as a little mouse. And surprise him with our gift. You hold it out like this. You look him in the eyes and you say, Styrbjörn King, may our clans be forever bonded in friendship and in love. I think you can do that for me. Good. Tonight, you will be the cord that unite our people. I'm so proud of you, Amo.
H-Aon chiad.
Get up, Olaf. Stay lucid, friend.
My sword has grown greedy. I'm ready to fight.
So nice having all of these hearty folk in our home.
Sounds kind of enough.
I hewed the heads of joyless hill dogs. I imbibed Odin's brew, and I sniffed the script.
Oh, no drink in your fist? Come on, I'll find you
I
something.
can't. I have a tribute for your father.
Oh, what a piece. That must be worth 2 sturdy long chips. Give it here, I'll pass it on.
My father asked me, Sigurd.
Suit yourself.
Erupsek, I'm on a cigarette.
You're not getting any mead.
Gaite go raibh sin na hráin. Ar fannacht mar go bhfuil rucin dul cead. Ach stacha na stage. Cai rucin cead an hen. Oh, circle the físí tífar. Yeah. I but it seems a ballad. I'll be in him. If it's like a game ar a lá come on. An docht go le PC ag ceir le nish.
So, you have the ring? Good. This was worn by your grandfather in a battle on the Northern Way.
Mother,
Yes,
can we show Sigurd the canstones we stacked yesterday?
that's a good idea. We'll do that in the morning. First light.
Tá rucin dul cead.
Now go. You have a gift to deliver.
Eivor, wait.
Skål! To Styrbjörn, the true king of Brugafulga! Tonight, we all made the news. Go!
Eivor.
King, may our clans be forever bonded in friendship and love.
Thank you, Eivor. Now and forever, I am pledged to you.
Hearken well in Hall of Kings. On ocean steed my words gain wings. Odin's mead I forth will bring. For noble deeds that others sing. The brave men slain Valkyria wakes. Rewards for strain to Valhalla takes, and horns resound the mighty horn. For those who fight, for those who fall, are under attack.
Eh?
Ready yourself, men! Not you, Eivor. Not just yet.
Hello. Teeth Bard. Oh, it's true, Shin. Well, how
It is
come
foretold.
on Suez
The curtains are
yeah.
raised. Nothing is true until it is severed from the branches of Yggdrasil.
Charlotte the girl of the Loch solution being as tragic with it was it basically. Yeah, how much mention Greshin Tafferston?
Now it's my turn to offer you dear slave. Accept your fate, die a coward here before your people, and I will spare the rest.
Fight, my love! Do not listen!
If I give my life, will you spare my clan?
You have my word.
No. No, Aaron. No, Aaron!
Nice, Grorit, give my shot all hackest.
Pick up your axe!
Goni dal hackest. Para na make shit. The crew. Can you let all Gàidhlig here, don't trust him. I could edit h-Aon. Sin tíreach.
Overlapped in the same DNA. Not sure why. Fix this or pull me out. I can parse the streams with a filter. Hold on. Okay, we're good. Are we? I don't know what happened, but I can work around it. You'll have to pick a stream to keep things stable. There's a third option, too. I can let the Animus modulate your identity based on signal strength. It's up to you.
Sin dal gáil leis bharnach.
Alright, I'll lock it in and push ahead to a time where these streams are more synchronized.
Have you diction?
How long have you been chasing me, Wolf-Kissed? 17 winters? 18? Do I now haunt your dreams? Do I warm your loins? You remember this? Ah, your father's axe. The weapon of a coward. A scorn snake. Ah, few things would please me more than to kill with this blade. But I know you would defy me to the death, fighting for a glorious end. That I will not allow. You will live your final days enthralled as a slave. Humiliated. Your death will be a lonely one. Kill the rest of our crew! Make them suffer! Eivor Wolf-Kissed is no more! That name is dead to this world!
You will be worth your weight in silver. To the ship.
You move, and I take your eyes, you hear me?
Wind's blowing from the south.
We can tack north, then cut west. Now, what did I just tell you?
We will skin you alive. You will never leave this.